Good morning, prep1. This is a new lesson for math. The triangle follow. Follow the triangle. This is a complete for the last lesson, the triangle, and this is related to the last lesson. As we studied before, the properties for triangle and square and rectangle and parallel will make follow for triangle. As we see, this triangle ABC and ED is a E and D is a midpoint for AC and AB. As we see, AE equal EB and AD equal DC and ED parallel BC. Then, as we see, the ray drawing from the midpoint of sides of a triangle parallel to another side bisects the third side. What does it mean? Here, I found E and D is a midpoint for AC and AB, and ED drawing parallel to BC. Then I can say ED parallel to BC and E bisecting AB and D bisecting AC. Then ED half BC. Then we can say the length of line segment joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is equal half the length of third side. Then if I have found triangle and side in the midpoint of two sides and parallel the last third side, then we can say this line segment half the third side of triangle. Example, in the opposite figure, X is the midpoint of AB and XY parallel BC and Z is the midpoint of DC. Prove that YZ parallel AD. As we see, triangle ABC, X is the midpoint of AB and XY parallel BC, then we can say Y is the midpoint of AC, then we can say XY half BC. And also the triangle ADC, Z is a midpoint of DC, and as we see Y midpoint of AC, then we can say YZ parallel AD, and this is required. Another example, ABC is a triangle which X and Y and Z midpoints of AB and AC and BC. XY 3 cm, XZ 6 cm, YZ 5 cm. Find the perimeter of ABC. To get the perimeter of triangle ABC, then we have to get the length of AB and length of AC and length of BC. As we see, X and Y is the midpoint of AB and BC. Then we can say XY half AC. Then first we get the AC equal double XY, then we can say AC equal 6 cm. Also, X and Z are midpoints of AB and AC. Then we can say XZ half BC, then BC double XZ, then BC equal 12 cm. Also, Z and Y midpoint of AC and BC, then we can say X ZY half AB, then AB double ZY, then AB equal 10 cm. Then we can say the perimeter of ABC equal 6 plus 12 plus 10. Another example, this is complete. The ray drawn from the midpoint of a side of triangle parallel to another side bisect the third side. Number 2, the line segment joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. The length of the the line segment joining the midpoint of two sides of triangle equal half the third side. Number 4, as we see triangle ABC, D is a midpoint of AB and ED parallel BC, then we can say E is a midpoint of AC. Number 5, ABC is a triangle, D midpoint of AB and E midpoint of AC, then we can say ED parallel BC. Number 6, D and E midpoint of AB and AC. BC is 6 cm, then we can say DE half BC equal 3 cm. Number 7, ABC is a triangle and ED parallel BC and measure angle B equal 90 degree. Then we can say measure angle ADE equal measure angle B equal 90 degree cos corresponding angle. Thank you prep 1 for listening. Goodbye.